sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Subaru Impreza. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a standard transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.